See next. See next. Shall I take you something? I right lembo, be right lembo. I don't tell you like something. Pour it in your hand. Yeah, like that. I boom. Zamul vola foot. La ultafuni nje ulikunyunga ukhotha nomuno ube right ugrand mar. Yeah, it's Hey yo guys, it's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream and welcome back to Big Lit TV mtanami. It's going crazy, it's going bananas. Except bafethu. Ngiphethe chips libuyile mtanami, libuyile. But this time libuye ngetwist bafethu. You eat these chips for 10 minutes and I give you 200 rands bafethu cash. Now. Cash awubambe nje bafethu ufile. Yiwo lo. Ma ukuthi udle chips uliqeda in 10 minutes ungaphuzanga amanzi noma ubisi urate ngithi you good. So wena ubani igama mfethu?
Shumza.
So Shumza and chilies how you thabi? You grew up eating chilies?
Yeah, I'm growing.
You love chilies?
Too much.
This guy loves chilies too much, mtanami. It's going crazy, it's going bananas. Make sure that you subscribe first on this #1 channel, but it's Big Lit TV. We are around Johannesburg and we are doing what we do best. This one, bafethu. Zekale, urete utham. Sabo, ithama yami ubunayo. Hey. Kumele ungithayime ke Sabo, ngicela uyivule mfethu. Uqaqe nje lapho and then sothola itime manje. Sothola itime akuthabo.
2 minutes.
Yeah. Fake Sabo. Grand red. Yavuleka?
Yeah.
Okay. So chilies vele you said no problem.
No problem.
Okay. Yeah, ivule that side. Nice one. Thanks Sabo. Thanks my brother. Nice one. Cha. Uweke lo mfethu ngicela ulithathe. Urate ngithi. Right. It's going crazy, it's going bananas. Cela ungilinde ke uthami ne. Cela ungilinde. So guys, only 10 minutes mfethu. If udla leli chips for 10 minutes angaphuza amanzi or ubisi, I'm going to give him 200 rands cash. Urate ngithi uthami awulivule ke mfethu. Awulivule kunendawo nje la livule khona mnandi. This one yeah. Nice one. Fona lo bhuti lokhekile. Sanlokheke. Asisilo, asihuphe. Danko. Ungalichithi ulibambe kahle. Nice one. Open it nice. Oh, bese liphihlikile vele. Okay. Yeah, vele nje uthi qa emlomeni yabo. Showcase. All right. See next. Shall I take you something? I right lembo, be right lembo. I don't tell you like something. Pour it in your hand. Yeah, like that. I boom. Zamul vola foot. Yeah, boom. Nice. Fanele phume lonke. Okay. Tablela la. Iphume. Lingane. Nice. Urate ke awuthemba. Sabo one last time. Urate awuthemba. Okay guys, 10 minutes mfethu uyaqala manje. Ngicela ungayibambi amehlo ngalezo zandla zakhe itsintele chips ne. Yeah, wenze sure nje ukuthi awuyibambi amehlo. Right. And webhuti. Ziyakhala manje. Yeah. Sekunjalo. All right. Sungalhlafuni. La ulhlafuni nje ulikunyunga ukhotha nomuno ube right ugrand mar. Yeah, utham. Linjani njengoba ulishaya nje mfethu? Akwezwa nix. Alibabi ne? Swaka ne? Serious?
Next.
Oh. Serious? Nothing. Nothing. Let's wait for 10 minutes again. Ibo.
I guess the Nix.
200 to say utata. Just like that.
Niggas.
I scam ke lesi. Wena lichirisi kwetala.
You strong, baba.
Ayibabi ni. Hi. Yabo bathe lizokwenzani? Bathe uzoqala uthule. Kube nomlilo emlomeni. Nix. Mase kuthiwa rest in peace la. Maybe silona lene. How? Ugrandi Joe. Okay, asipush isikhathi sakho ke mfethu until 10 minutes. Manje ufuna senzeni kulo 10 minutes because we need to be here for 10 minutes mina nawe wena ungababelo. Ngitshele ngawe ke mfethu. Hayi bo mfethu. Manje imali usuyayithatha.
Easy.
Manje mina sengizokunika u200. Njayami. Nix akakababina kancane. Ayikho nento encane. Mulomo.
Izwana lapho phela.
Usezwa la kancane ne? Oh, khonto izwayo manje. Oh, ukhona upelepele ado. Khonto izwayo. Ithini lento?
Hey.
Yenza njani? Nayi imkhalisa. Nangikhala manje wakhala manje yenza njani lento? Ha? Uyawafuna amanzi? Uyalifuna ibisi? Mara yona yenza njani?
Yeah.
Ungithusile yazi.
Right.
Umuntu uthi awubabelwa. So how do you feel now?
Feel like sharp.
Yeah, like oh, it's hot, ne? Can I see your tongue? In double right?
Sharp.
Watch, ne? Mplele, I
La,
wanna know.
Lapha phela.
Lana ne? Na umlomo wayi ngathi uyashake. Umlomo wakho uyashake, wayi umlomo wakho. Yababelo ne? Ungithusile lemjida wethu. So, uyayithatha le nyuku vele.
Yeah.
Ne? But tell me, ukuthi kujwang mo.
Ihot mara.
So anyone angayitry after wena lana?
Yeah, ay. Yeah, easy.
Ayabukoti ne?
Easy.
Easy. Hey, une call. Okay. Ayinabukoti ne?
Ayinabungozi.
Uthi my brother bafethu feel free. Thatha lento ayinabungozi. Mara kinkarwala. Dikeledi.
Ake ngwilo yabo.
Onwile ne? Awena nshapa wena. Kankinga ruma champagne. So mfethu, so ngale two clip ale ngizogaya wena. Uzowenza ini uzoqhubeka namabhi yakho.
Oh, ngiyophuza yini?
Uyophuza ne? Yeah, uzothenga iPhone yana 5 nyana futhi.
8 nyana yabo.
8 nyana ne? It's 6 8.
Angiphuza iblack.
Oh nice case. I'll bet case. Kanjalo nje mfethu, just like that nje wavela itholele case. Kadide ngesaba beni. Ayibabi ne? So anyone akayizama ma.
Akayizama.
Kaba kulela khona bayizame ne?
Bakayizama easy
Man. And Elina Goki Tama, we still on 5 minutes right now, 5 minutes left, and then, I set you free, I give you your money, I have it cash in my pocket. Do you want to see it?
Aye.
It's your money. Ne? Alright, guys, if you also want to participate, ukhona 200 rand wakho uzozama chips nawe. It's King Ginger Cream de la Cream intwana setting game lokhu. It's going crazy. It's going bananas. You get 200 rands cash ngokuthi udle ichips. So awuthami ngidinga lapha na ke yabo? Yeah, so that ngizokwazi ukubona ireaction yakho because it's what we want.
Yila.
Yeah. So usizwe njani njengamanje?
Sharp, my rap sharp.
Yeah. So khotsa jwang?
We sharp no. We sharp.
Awuna muthatha nje. Asinix nje. Nomjida wena. Manje wayi ukhala.
Ngiyakhala ngikubuzile ngiphuzile. Hey.
No. Hey, matsogo our danger. Arulis ulishole. So my brother, Pianyana seqeda manje we almost there. I'm happy for you, my brother. I know that you're gonna chill with your guys that are hyping for you. They're ready for you. Ufuna ukuthini kubona nabo batry.
Batry.
Uyamuzwa uthi nani kumele try. Tawa. It's about that time. This is Big Lit TV, Bafethu Ziyakhala. Make sure that you subscribe on this #1 channel at Big Lit TV so that you can see these episodes. Oh, my brother, Taibabi, the way.
Aiwa, Nix. No.
How about teammates? All this. Yeah. All right. Libisi nyana. Libisi.
Yeah.
Amuna. Mo kujwang mo.
Mo? What the lips?
What the lips?
Zoba sharp.
Ne? Elendo is strong elendo. Isi la lips azoba sharp. Dale kuzuka la lips. Mela. Dale la lips. Ekota mfethu.
Zoba sharp.
Ela lips lawo.
Zoba sharp. No, that's over sharp.
We're getting there, guys. We're gonna do the countdown. Masaksondela, masangimshange enyuku yakho, my brother. Give blesser. Good. Shanga maundra baba. Yeah, man. Kid December, boss. You're getting your Christmas gifts early. Yeah. Big Lit TV, Bafethu, the hottest chip in the world. As you can see, my brother, he's from the north. He's saying, he's been biting hot things more than this chip. So now, utsu rights, utsa lips azoba rights. Kata ise khotsi izinto ezibabayo. Ama lips akhe.
2 minutes.
Ubone? Yeah. We're almost there. So we're going to do the countdown, right? Yeah. It's about that time, Bafethu. It's almost Christmas. We're almost there.
Uri ate, awuna nix. Is, ayina bungu. I try.
Talento.
Ayina
bungu. My brother is saying, come guys, come try this one. Ayinabungozi. Uthi nje dzadza lento. Ugrand man.
Sha.
Malajwang.
Masha.
Uma.
La una nix.
Awuna nix
Ngizwa lapha.
Elipsi emalipsini le? Okay.
Wena uzoba sharp.
Exe. So clip ngiyawutetela manje bafethu. You know guys, this is the new chip that we got, and this is my first guy, the first person to try this one. I'm the only kid in Africa that does this challenge. Who's gonna do it after me? Cream de la cream, can't touch me. Are you ready, my brother? Can't touch the king. Are you ready? You can't touch the king. Are you ready? Big Lit TV. Guys, in ready for a countdown. Uthi nje ufuna ukuyithengela amabhiya. Alright. Oh yeah. Okay, so color from Utenda Fetu. We almost there. Congratulations, my brother. But I will funi bis. Awufuna manzi kancane.
Sharp.
Ngizokupha 300, awufuna manzi. 10 9 8 6 4 3 matoka kam. Yeah! How do you feel? Yeah! How do you feel, man?
Next.
Feel good.
Sharp, no.
Sharp. So imali yakho fethu, as I promised, 2. Ngiyabonga kakhulu manami. So ngifuna mfethu ukuzwa kuwena mfethu ukuthi injani le challenge because people want to know at home ukuthi how does it taste and also people overseas they also want to know ukuthi how does it taste after this because you are the first person here in Africa to taste this one and we are the first to do this challenge. So I want you to talk to the people and tell them ukuthi iphila kanjani njengamanje. Just to go through with it and tell us.
Isha ungasabi 10 minutes ingani awungayiphuza end ishapu.
But how do you feel?
Ungasabi.
When uzizwe njani manje?
No ngishapu.
Ujamani.
Sharp.
Ama lips kanjani?
Ashapu. Ethole black lo. Sharp. Sharp.
Wena ndibandani.
Ulandi bandayo lo.
Namachi.
Black. Namachi.
Apha amachita.
Akhona.
Yiyo la.
Hayi angekho.
Awekho la. Oh, mawufuna ukuthini ku Lil Flex ngokuthi
Ngiyabonga nguye
Lil
nguthi.
Flex, big up to you, man. Big up to Lil Flex, man. You know, hook it up. You know. Go enjoy your money, enjoy yami. And don't forget to subscribe to Picklit TV. Tell everyone to subscribe to Picklit TV.
Okay, thank you.
Subscribe. Ngiyabonga manam. Sharp first. King Changer Cream de la Cream, it's going crazy, it's going bananas. We are in the CBD, we are in Johannesburg, and we are giving away money. If you want to try our challenge, make sure that you pull up. Make sure that you subscribe on this channel. Make sure that you tell a friend who could say, King Changer, let's have a challenge. The next one, I think I'm going to be bringing in chocolate so babayo. Because I'm going chips albabi. I'm going to chocolate. No, I'm going to chips. Chips. Chocolate. Chips. Chocolate. But see chips were first. Subscribe, it's Bibli King. Thank you.
Yeah. Run it up, Londo.
Yeah. Get up, chin up, niggas contemplating. Push up, blow out, push it to the limit. Full on, two shot, you ain't bout it, business. Put on, go on, Super Mario painting. Get up, chin up, niggas contemplating. Push up, blow out, push it to the limit. Full on, two shot, you ain't bout it, business. Put on, go on, Super Mario painting. I heard all your people be running it back. I heard you spit on the track. I'm here to inspire the people who think